Welcome back to AutoBuzz360, your ultimate destination for the latest automobile updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most awaited and talked about bikes of the year, the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. If you're a fan of retro-styled motorcycles packed with modern features, this one deserves your full attention. The 2025 Hunter 350 continues the brand's legacy of rugged, dependable design, but with a twist. It's more urban, agile, and youth-focused than any of its classic siblings. The first thing you'll notice is its compact stance, slightly aggressive but still carrying that unmistakable Royal Enfield DNA. It's got a muscular fuel tank, wide handlebars, and a minimalistic yet bold styling that speaks to both the city rider and the weekend explorer. Powering the Hunter 350 is the trusted 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine, the same J-series motor used in the Meteor and Classic 350. But in the Hunter, it's tuned for a more responsive throttle feel. It delivers around 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. This setup ensures a refined ride, with enough torque low down to keep things exciting even in city traffic. What sets the 2025 model apart are the subtle but important upgrades. First, the weight. At around 181 kilograms, the Hunter 350 is the lightest Royal Enfield in the lineup. This makes handling much more approachable, especially for new riders or those who want a nimble street machine. The low seat height, about 800 millimeters, ensures that riders of all heights can plant their feet comfortably on the ground. The suspension setup is classic but effective. Telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear do a solid job at soaking up bumps and handling twisty roads. And with 17-inch wheels front and back, the bike offers more stability and better cornering dynamics. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or leaning into curves on a weekend ride, the Hunter feels sure-footed and confident. One of the coolest things about the new Hunter 350 is its tech package. You get a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog speedometer and a small digital screen that displays gear position, trip meters, fuel level, and a clock. It also comes with Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation system as an optional accessory, perfect for riders who love exploring new places without relying on their phone screens all the time. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 features a retro-style analog speedometer paired with a small digital display showing gear position, odometer, trip meters, fuel gauge, clock, and eco indicator. It includes warning lights for ABS, neutral, engine check, high beam, indicators, and side stand alert. The Metro variant offers an optional Tripper navigation pod with Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn directions via the Royal Enfield app. The display has a soft backlight for clear visibility during both day and night rides. The cluster blends modern functionality with a classic look, giving riders essential information without compromising the bike's vintage appeal. Braking is handled by a 300 mm front disc and a 270 mm rear disc, supported by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The feedback from the levers is progressive and predictable, just what you'd expect from a modern machine with heritage roots. The 2025 Hunter 350 also brings in fresh color schemes that pop on the road. You can choose from sporty shades like Rebel Red, Dapper Ash, and Rebel Blue, each one giving the bike a unique character. These colors combined with blacked-out engine components and exhaust give the bike a very urban street style that appeals to the younger crowd. Another highlight is the exhaust note. It's bassy and thumpy, just enough to remind you that you're riding a Royal Enfield, but with a slightly sharper tone compared to the classic 350. It adds to the overall riding experience and grabs attention without being overly loud. Fuel efficiency is pretty decent too, with the bike delivering an average of around 35 to 40 kilometers per liter, depending on your riding style. With a 13-liter fuel tank, it promises a good range for both city commutes and short tours. So, who is this bike for? If you want a modern retro motorcycle that's stylish, comfortable, and practical, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a first-time rider or a city dweller looking for a cool street bike, this one offers great value without compromising on performance or style. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to AutoBuzz360 for more honest and exciting reviews. Until next time, ride safe and stay tuned.